In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Metatrader 5 Exness. By the end, you'll know exactly which credentials you need, where they come from, and how to sign in on the desktop app without running into common errors. First, let's get clear on what you need before you attempt to log in. You'll need three things: your MT5 login ID, which is your trading account number, your trading password, which is specifically set for that MT5 account, and the correct server name, such as Exness MT5 Real or Exness MT5 Trial. All of these details are found in your Exness personal area. Keep in mind, this is different from your email and personal login for Exness. MT5 uses separate trading credentials tied to each trading account, so don't try to sign in with your email and personal password. That will not work. Now let's log in on a desktop or laptop. Open the Metatrader 5 application. At the top left, click File, then choose Login to Trade Account. A small window will appear asking for three fields. In the Login field, enter your MT5 account number exactly as shown in your personal area. In the Password field, type your trading password, making sure caps lock isn't accidentally on and there are no extra spaces. In the Server field, select or type the Exness server that matches your account, for example, Exness MT5 Real for a real account or Exness MT5 Trial for a demo account. The server must match your account type, so double-check it before you proceed. When everything looks correct, click Login. If the login is successful, you'll see your account balance appear in the terminal or toolbox area, your charts will start loading market data, and the connection status in the corner will show that you're connected. If you notice invalid account or the charts aren't updating, the most common cause is the wrong server or an incorrect password, so revisit those two fields first. A few important tips to save you time. Do not use your Exness email login in MT5. Those credentials are not the same as your trading details. MT5 requires the trading account number and its specific trading password. Selecting the wrong server will cause the login to fail every time. So match real with real and trial with trial. And finally, make sure your MT5 app is up to date. Outdated versions can struggle to connect or display servers correctly. That's it. With the right credentials from your personal area and the correct server, logging into Metatrader 5 with Exness is quick and reliable.